This is a Kenmore bottom freezer refrigerator. I'm going to replace the water inlet valve and the fill tube that feeds my ice maker. This can be purchased as one unit called the Refrigerator Water Inlet Valve Assembly. Start by finding the model number of the refrigerator. Mine was located on the inner wall of the fridge. Then I went to SearsPartsDirect.com and ordered my parts using the chat option. I was assisted by a parts specialist who helped me make the right purchase. The new parts arrived to my house in 4 days. Begin by rolling the refrigerator out from the wall. Locate the water line and turn off the water at the valve. Then unplug the power cord from the wall. Next, on the back of the refrigerator, find a panel located at the bottom. This is held in place by 6 screws. The water inlet valve is located behind this panel, to which the water line is connected. Prep the floor with a dry towel in case there's any water leaks during installation. Using a standard 1/2-inch wrench, unthread the water line from the inlet valve. Then remove the panel screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, lift the panel out to access the inlet valve. Locate the machine screw on the inlet valve mounting bracket and remove using the Phillips head screwdriver. Now pull the valve out from the refrigerator in order to access where it's plugged in. Release this plug in this manner. Next, follow the ice maker fill tube, noting the mounting screws that secure it in place. Remove these screws using the Phillips head screwdriver. Once all the screws are removed, the fill tube can be removed by pulling it straight out. This frees up the old assembly. Now take the new inlet valve assembly and remove the factory cap on the end of the fill tube. Then locate the factory cap that protects the threaded water line connection on the inlet valve. Remove this cap to expose the threads. Prep the threads with several wraps of Teflon tape. Next, install the fill tube in this manner. Secure into place with the factory screws. Once the fill tube has been secured, mount the water inlet valve in this manner. Then plug the wiring harness back into its initial location. Next, reinstall the panel using the factory screws. Now thread the water line back into place on the new valve. Use the 1/2-inch wrench to tighten, making sure you do not over-tighten. You do not want to damage the valve. Next, slowly turn the water on and check the leaks at the connection. Then plug the power cord back in and make sure the ice maker is on. After a few hours, check the function of the new valve. If working properly, the ice maker should be producing ice cubes. The water inlet valve is now ready to use.